Hello world, my name is Shaikh Akram Ahmed, and this is my CS50P Final Project, nIO Asks. About 63 days ago, I couldn't write a single line of code, but today I'm proud to share what I've built. Let's launch the application. nIO Asks is a command line quiz application designed to reinforce Python concepts taught in CS50P. The main menu is minimal by design. You can choose study mode for practice, test mode for exam-style quizzes, activity to view progress, or quit to exit. I'm going to choose study mode and level 0. In study mode, each question provides instant feedback. Correct answers are confirmed right away, while wrong answers display the correct option and an explanation. This makes study mode perfect for learning and reinforcement. Back to the main menu, I'm going to choose test mode now and select level 9. In test mode, it's stricter. You answer all the questions first, and only at the end do you see your results. Each response is reviewed as correct or incorrect along with explanations. This mode mimics the pressure of a real examination. If the user chooses activity, then the activity log is where progress comes to life. Every session is recorded with date, time, duration, level, score, and even a motivational message to keep you going. Over time, it builds a clear record of your learning journey. And finally, you can quit at any time with a simple and consistent exit message. This is nIO Asks, built line by line as my first step into the world of programming. A big thank you to Professor David Mellon and the entire team of CS50. This was CS50.